Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we are told that this equation above, m is equal to 1,800 times 1.02 to the t, models the number of members, m, of a gym t years after the gym opens. We're asked which equation models the number of members of this gym q quarter years after the gym opens. So to solve this problem, we're going to have to think about what does it actually mean, right? You can use your standard formula for an exponential equation and use that to actually find what this is, but if you think about it conceptually, it's going to be a lot easier. So we have m, our number of members, is equal to 1,800, and then we're multiplying it by 1.02, the number of times in years. So if it's the first year, right, 1 year after the gym opens, we're multiplying by once. It's been 2 years, we're multiplying by it twice, right? T is 2, so it's 1.02 squared, and so on. So if we're multiplying it by 1.02, what does that actually represent, right? That is the rate of change of 1 year of the gym being open. So 1,800 times 1.02 equals 1,800 times 1 plus 1,800 times 0.02, right? Because 1 is equal to 0.02, you can separate it and multiply them both by 1,800. And what does this mean? This means that your membership after a year is equal to the old value you had of the previous year plus 2% on top of that. How did I get to 2%? Well, if you're multiplying by 0.02, this is just a proportion, right? Multiply it by 100 to get it into percent. Since percent is just a number out of 100, this is 2 out of 100, so 2%. So this is basically 1,800 plus 2% of 1,800. And when we're looking at Q quarter years, right, we are looking at it every quarter of a year. That means we're going to be multiplying by a number 4 times as often, right? Instead of every year, we're doing it 4 times a year. So the rate we have needs to be 4 times as less. So 2% over 4. 2 divided by 4 is 0.5%. So our new model is going to be, okay, m is equal to 1,800. We start with 1,800 people. Then, if we're adding 0.5%, well, it's sort of doing the opposite of this. 0.5% divided by 100 to turn it into its decimal form is 0.005. So our first year is 1,800 times itself plus 0.005 of itself. In the second year, we take the value of the year before and then multiply it by the same rate, 1.005, right? And this is our new rate. It's not 1.02 anymore, it's 1.005. And we don't even have to worry about the exponent because 1.005 is in this option and it's not in any of the other options, so you know C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.